Introduction to Java. Java is widely used programming language for coding web applications. It has been a popular choice among developers. The features of Java are: Java is a simple, object-oriented programming language. It can be compiled and interpreted. Java is architectural neutral, means it is platform dependent. Java is robust, secure, and high-performance distributed language. It is a multi-threading language due to synchronization. Java is dynamic and portable. When we discuss about Java, the first point that came is it is an object-oriented programming, means it has concept of object that contains encapsulation, data hiding, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. Next one, compile and interpreted means the Java source code, which is in the format of program.java, is converted into bytecode or intermediate code with the extension of .class by Java compiler. And the bytecode is converted to executable code with the program extension of .exe by Java runtime system. Coming back to textual neutral means if there is no effect if process, resource, OS changes. The bytecode and data type are fixed. And the robust means Java handles memory management problems by using garbage collection concept. It handles exceptions effectively. Portable. As already discussed, Java is architectural neutral and data type size is fixed. High performance. Java is very interactive programming and networking language. Java can be written once and can run anywhere, anytime. Why Java is important? Java communicated to objects dynamically. Java is accepted to internet due to its security and portability.